What's up, brother? Ashton, nice to meet you. Huh? The owner? Okay, good to meet you, bro. Thank you, bro. Ashton Hall, good to meet you. Ashton Hall, good to meet you, brother. Christian.
So two things, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate what you're doing for him.
Thank you. Thank you. The motherland.
The motherland.
The motherland. Yeah, hey, RWANDA is amazing. It's beautiful. I love it here, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So clean here.
So if you're at home, you know, if you guys want to just hang out, play games and stuff like that, it's called Kigali Universe. This is where everything happens. You know, entertainment and sports, everything.
Okay.
Kagara. Wabaye umugisha ku gihugu. Thank you.
Tonight. I'm so happy. Last one. To see you, brother.
Last one.
This is very cool, job. I'm so proud of you. Love, brother. Good to meet you, brother. Thank you for supporting. Oh, you the guy.
The BEN.
This your boy.
The BEN.
Yeah. Yeah. He wouldn't stop talking about you.
Yeah, man.
And then as I heard some of your songs, you're amazing.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're amazing, bro. Physique is on point, too.
I mean, I'm trying to be like you.
You're not trying. You're not trying. You're there already.
I'm definitely. Are we gonna do a push-up challenge or something?
Oh, him.
With him?
I'm fragile. Hey, look, I'm done for. I'm done for. You from here, born and raised?
Born in Uganda.
Okay.
Raised here, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
God has given you a massive talent, bro.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, how old are you?
I'm 35 right now.
35? Okay, cool. I'm 30.
Yeah. I really appreciate you. We appreciate the love that you've been showing to our brother here.
Yeah.
And to our country as well.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
100% well, what I can say is he's been grinding.
Yeah.
He caught my attention. That's the work that he put in.
Yeah.
In this country, RWANDA is the cleanest.
Yeah, you noticed it?
Cleaner than America.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? So it's been a pleasure being here, bro.
I don't want to say, this is the Indian young brother.
The boy.
Good to see you, brother.
The boy, Indian Ashton Hall. Yeah, so
good to see you, brother.
His name is Ghhura, and he's a hard worker. He kills it.
So he flew all the way from India?
Yeah, we brought him here. This is his first time being out of the country. First country he came to was Africa.
Wow.
Second one will be America, unless we have another detour.
So he's actually in North India or South Africa?
He's in Gwalior.
He went to school in India.
Mid.
So do you speak Tamil or Hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, okay.
Hindi.
So I went to school in
India,
South
India.
South.
You know Hindi?
Tamil, yeah.
You know Hindi?
I know Tamil.
Made in.
I went to South India.
Oh, okay.
So I was trying to find it out.
Oh, wow.
Is that the part you went to school to?
No. He's the north. I went to the south.
No, mid.
So you're in the mid?
Mid.
Okay, good.
My man, listen, we've been watching you. The entire country is super proud of you.
Yeah.
And we can't thank you enough, brother. We cannot thank you enough. We love you. We love you big time.
Brother.
For real.
Thanks for coming.
I've been following you for a while.
Yeah, thank you, bro. He's been talking about you the whole trip, so I was like, how can we get this brother out here?
Can you please
I said, who's your favorite artist? All he says is you.
drink, please?
All he says.
Appreciate
Singing all your songs the whole time, and he can sing.
Those videos they're all over the place. I mean, he can sing.
He can sing.
Yeah, he can sing big time.
Very, very humble dude. You know what I'm saying? God has his hands on him.
Yeah.
And it's a blessing.
And I also love the seems like what you do, there's a bigger purpose on top of what you're just showing. They're showing that you want to lead people to the cross,
To the kingdom.
to the kingdom.
100%.
It's amazing, and that's what I believe in as well.
100%.
So I think that added up to something about you, because we already loved you. We already loved the content you share, but the purpose you have behind it, it's bigger than what we can see.
Yeah,
So,
thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Everything is temporary.
Yeah.
We all have deep, dark days.
Absolutely.
Dark days, but when I can think, okay, even if I have nothing, I still got Jesus.
Exactly.
That means I have everything. You know, so that's the only peace, that's the only hope I have. And I feel like that's what everybody should hear. That's what everybody should be holding on their shoulders. This life is hard.
Yeah.
This life is tough, bro.
Yeah.
You know, not to be a preacher or anything like that.
Yeah.
But like, life is challenging, man.
Seeing a young man like you could be sharing other messages, but for you to choose to share the message of kingdom is amazing.
The most important message.
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, we gotta get up though.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I'm only here for a little bit.
Where are you living?
Tonight.
Really?
Tonight,
I
bro.
thought you're gonna go. Oh, but we're still going for dinner, right? You coming to my house?
Yeah. I think we're about to go do something right now. We're about to leave this spot and then do something with you.
Okay.
It's word that I got. I was super excited about that.
Musanze, what's the name of the place?
We're trying to stretch it out. We're trying to go everywhere. We're supposed to go to gyms, restaurants. They want him everywhere.
Yeah? You go quick.
They went for the Goyas?
They want.
You know, I'm not going to Bugaway.
I don't know.
Yeah?
Wherever he wants to go first.
No, Bugaway is far. If you're leaving tonight, you can go to.
Oh, it's far?
It's about 2 hours away.
Oh, no.
That's where the cows are?
Next trip, but I can tell you this.
That's where the cars are.
The cows. I put that in my script. But I can tell you this, I'm for sure coming back to Granda though, 1,000%.
Okay.
We're actually gonna tour the whole East.
Okay.
Yeah, but
East Africa?
Special announcement. Yeah,
Really?
for sure.
Are you going to Uganda?
Yeah.
That's my second home country.
Oh, really?
Because I was born there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But it's gonna be amazing.
Uganda or Uganda?
Uganda. I was born in Uganda.
I'm saying. Uganda. Rwanda.
Rwanda, of course. Rwanda comes first.
I thought I was gonna trip him up. He didn't even think about it. He said Rwanda comes first. It's here. It's here.
See Uganda number 2 for sure.
Uganda number 2. It's love. How y'all doing?
Yeah, fresh kabisa. Abahungu bacu bari muri zino nce ariko nabo
The boy.
Yeah.
Champion.
Are you loving Rwanda?
Yeah. Beautiful city, Rwanda. High tech.
Hey, Small, have you seen him before in person? Small. Have you seen him in person before?
Yeah, we met in person.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we met in person one time though.
How long ago?
It's been probably a week before you flew to see you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you met him a week ago?
Yeah, like a week ago. Yeah.
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah. He came. I had a big show in a countryside called Mutara.
And he pulled up?
And he pulled out.
For real?
Yeah, with the entire team.
Oh, really?
Yeah, ciao.